Now, on these ones, they tell you that you're supposed to do it without a calculator. I don't care if you use a calculator or not. But in algebra, if I am translating this, the word is your equal sign. The word of is multiplying. So on these first ones, if I'm going to do 60% of 91, I'm just going to take 60% times 91. First of all, I need to change my percent to a decimal. 60% as a decimal would be 0.6 or 0.60, whichever way you want to write it. Of 91 means I'm going to take 0.6 times 91. If you want to multiply that on your calculator, go ahead. If you want to do it in your head or on your paper, more power to you. What did we end up when we multiplied that out? 54.6. Now, when I work with percentages, I always like to think about what makes sense and what my baseline things are. So what I do is I look at my percent. 50% would be half. So 60% is a little over half of 91. Yes, that makes sense. If I would have said my answer was 546, hopefully I would know that's nowhere close, right? So 25% is a fourth, 50% is half, 75% is 3/4. Most of you can figure at least close to that in your head to give you an idea. So if I have 90% of something, I know my answer is going to be pretty close to 86 because 100% would be exactly 86. 90% again would be 0.9 or 0.90. Of means times, so if I take 0.9 times 86, I haven't done that in my head yet. What do you ended up with?
77.4.
77.4. All right, go ahead then and do 80% of 54. That's what I got. So when you did 80% of 54, you got
43.2.
43.2. 80%, 0.8 times your 54. Like I said, if you want to use your calculator, you can use your calculator. Alex thinks that you don't need it.